Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko. So as you can see right here, we have 1 inch, the exchange, okay, and it actually has a coin, and I have been doing videos about it. And today we're gonna be talking about the predictions and analysis. I will be marking up the chart live. Okay, this video will not be that short. Will not be that long at all. You can see how long it is, and that's why I suggest you to keep on pushing and watching till the end. Okay, so 1 inch token, 1 inch is sitting at price around $2.36. So this prediction was not right. I mean, at some point, but yeah, it was not right at all. Let me just delete that. Delete actually everything, and let us get straight through, like from the start. 1 inch has really been pushing to the downside. A lot of things were happening right here. So this is kind of a threshold zone actually that I just deleted because it will not make sense at all. Here's the daily chart. I'm trying to find this like a support area right here too. Okay, so beautiful. Things were happening right there. We had a movement right there, and what I think that will be happening is something like this. And as well as like Bitcoin, 1 inch did like kind of jumps too, and this is what I think that will be happening. It needs to kind of push back to the downside, as I think that the Bitcoin will do the same thing, then kind of do something like this, and then from here on then kind of start to push to the upside. So obviously right now the smart thing will obviously be to buy, but I'm not forcing you to do anything, okay? And if you are planning on buying a 1 inch token, I absolutely will say that you don't put higher money on that one, the first order, okay? You always want to have a buying power before, because you don't know if this can like sit at this price, they kind of like come right here, then push to the downside. I know that that will not happen, but everything is possible, and no one can tame the market. That's about it for today's video about 1 inch. Peace out and have a great day for the rest of your day.